Good day, I'm Henry Mathis, the project manager for API Threat Assessment Tool, and I'll be discussing the tool today. This tool automates the security testing for APIs to help organizations identify vulnerability early, improve resilience, and comply with industry security standards like the OWASP API Security Top 10. Our team aims to build a scalable, extensible, professional-grade platform for a real-world deployment, allowing both automated and manual security evaluation. Quality requirements and architecture strategy. Security. Requirements ensure API protection against vulnerabilities such as broken authentication and excessive data exposure. Architectural strategy. The system uses role-based access control and multi-factor authentication to limit access. The system performs continuous vulnerability scanning using modular service layers that handles security protocols like OAuthentication 2.0, JWT tokens, and API keys. Quantifiable measurements. 99% of critical vulnerabilities identified automated without manual intervention. Requirements. The system must scan APIs efficiently, even for large datasets and endpoints. Architectural strategies. Caching for repeat scan, loading balances across distributed nodes, and asynchronization processing for multiple requests. Quantifiable measurements. Scan comply for APIs with 100 plus endpoints within 5 minutes. Scalability requirements. The system must handle increased users and API endpoints. Architectural strategy. Use of microservices deployed in containers via Cybernet to ensure rapid scaling based on demand. Quantifiable measurements. The system should be able to handle 50 continuous scans per second. Availability. Requirements ensures high uptime and ability to recover quickly from the failures. Architectural strategies. Redundant services, failure mechanisms, and cloud-based distribution architectures for automatic recovery. Quantifiable measurements. 99.5% uptime per month with no more than 15 minutes of downtime. Usability. Requirements ensures that the tool is user-friendly, especially for non-security experts, for providing clear security reports. Architectural strategy. Response UI with visual indicators, step-by-step guidance, and interactive features to simplify the user experience. Quantifiable measurements. Users action rate of 90% or higher. The 5 core quality requirements. Security. Critical to prevent API-related vulnerabilities that may lead to unauthorized access to data exposure by the implementation automated scanning and robust access control system. By implementing automated scanning and robust access control systems, we ensure security is top-notch and easily measurable. Performance. We prioritize fast scanning for large APIs to enable swift identification of vulnerabilities, ensuring the tool can handle large-scale environments efficiently. Scalability. APIs and their environments scale quickly in today's cloud-based infrastructure. Our solution is built to scale horizontally using Cybernets and microservices, meeting the needs of growing systems. Availability. Continuous operation is paramount. We ensure that uptime using distributed cloud services with failover and recovery protocols. Usability. Designed for all users in mind, especially non-experts, the tool simplifies complex security processes, making it approachable for everyone involved in the development lifecycle. Technology stacks that we have used. We used FastAPI. For the front end, we used React.js. Databases, we used PostgreSQL and Supabase for cloud storage. Containerization, we use Docker and Cybernets. Authentications, we use Authentication 2.0 and JWT tokens. Security tool, SQL Maps, OWASP, ZAP, Burp Suite. Testing, PyTest, Playwright, Cypress. CI/CD is GitHub Actions, documentation Markdown plus Starlight Astra. When first opening our website, you will be greeted with the landing page. The purpose of the landing page is to introduce the AT-AT as a powerful, comprehensive API security testing platform that helps developers and security teams easily identify vulnerabilities in APIs. It emphasizes TAT as OWASP compliant, easy to set up, and currently free during the beta phase. The main goal is to encourage users to join the beta program, get early access to cutting-edge features, and start securing their APIs quickly with minimal effort. Then we'll join the beta program. For this demo, we already have an account created. So we will log in, and also there is a light and a dark mode, depends on your preference. When signing in, you will be greeted with the dashboard, which has features like start new scan, view reports. So let's start with a new scan. For the API scan, the user story. As an API developer, I want to automatically scan my API for security vulnerabilities so I can identify weaknesses early in the development process. So firstly, we will choose our API which is already uploaded, choose the scan we want to do, and then we just wait for the scan to complete. For the sake, we're just going to use enable detailed logging and generate exclusive summary. Now it will be generating the report based on the content it contains. As you can see, it gives you vulnerabilities found throughout the scan and the scan logs based on every single thing that has been found. It will also give you a quick summary right after the report is done, and then it prints out the whole report. As a security analyst, I want to review detailed security reports so I can understand the vulnerabilities in the API and suggest improvement to the development team. The scan now creates a report and gives you feedback based on the critical, high, medium, low vulnerabilities that has been found. The API security issues, remote code execution, then we can give you feedback and description on based on what is the problem and give you a solution or a recommendation on how to fix it. For instance, we gave you a link to a top 10 2023 issue detection. We can also export the report as a PDF. We go to the settings page. This is where you can change your personal profile, your emails, your number, company, and your positions. This is where you can choose your role, where you can have different accessibilities and authentications that can be done, and you can save, so it saves to the database. Then you can also change your preferences on the notifications based on how you would like it. If you want SMS alerts, you can accept it. Okay. Then we go to the home page. On the home page, we will be finding at the bottom, close to the bottom, we will find the Manage API section. As an API developer, I want to be able to view and manage all of my API endpoints in one place, so I can quickly identify and address security vulnerabilities across all my API versions. You can quickly upload a file using a quick upload like Molehill, and just upload it as a JSON file, and it will automatically save to the bottom of your list of cards. Or you can manually put a name in here, like for instance we can do company new. We have a base URL like this, and then just a description, brief description of the API. We don't need a description, and we can upload the file JSON, okay, and it uploaded the company API. As an API administrator, I want to be able to add, remove, and replace API endpoint easily, so I can quickly modify my API as needed during the security assessment process. Edit the endpoints. So view in detail. There is HR and V1 at the moment available. We can add a tag, hello, then it will add it to the top. Then we can remove a tag like V1, and it will remove the tag from here. Then we can also replace the whole tag and separate by commas. Then it will replace all the tags throughout the description. We can also change the name based on what you want. So we say already checked, and we can update it. Then it will change the whole API and the URL. Then we also have some public templates. Public templates we can use with descriptions and how to use it, and then we can just say use template and it will use that template in the future. Thank you. Testing. Unit and integration tests. These tests focus on individual functions or components of the system. Results will be shown using PyTest for isolation functions such as checking user authentications or validating the database. This is unit tests that we have run and all succeeded. The integration testing. Integration testing shows the interaction between different components, ensuring that they work together correctly. Coverage statistics like statements, branch and function coverage will be displayed to show how well the components integrated. The branches, statements, functions and lines. Integration testing and percentages test coverage. Show the percentage of coverage for various files. For instance, 67% statement coverage with 50% branch coverage. Function coverage is 65% and the line coverage is 67%. To highlight the progress, ensuring that the code is tested for potential flaws. Testing end-to-end. We use GitHub Actions and GitHub Build to make this optimal and easier for us.